What's up guys, thank you. So a new leak has now revealed the different variants, color options and pricing of the Galaxy S10e, Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus for the Netherlands. The Galaxy S10e will be the entry-level model in the Galaxy S10 series. The leak reveals that it will be arriving with an inbuilt storage of 128GB. It will be available in Europe in colors like Canary Yellow, Prism Black, Green and White. It will be carrying a price tag of €749. Europe will be receiving a blue variant for the phone sometime after the launch. The Galaxy S10 will be available in 128GB and 512GB storage choices. Both storage variants of the S10 will be available in colors like black, green, white and blue. The 128GB and 512GB variants of the smartphone will be respectively priced at €899 and €1,149. The Galaxy S10 Plus models such as 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 512GB storage will be available in colors like black, green, white and blue. These models will be respectively priced at €999 and €1,249. The highest configuration of the Galaxy S10 Plus will have 12GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. This model will be equipped with ceramic body. Hence it will be available in two colors like ceramic black and ceramic white. The 1TB Galaxy S10 Plus with 12GB of RAM will be priced at €1,499.